You worked in the north as well as in the south. What was your experience working in North India and what was it in the South India? Was the attitude different in South India?
You see, this is a very interesting question because when I was sent to the south, my friends in Delhi thought that I would go there and sing in a hole and die. And I loved it. I loved it because the people were religious. You see, this is the mistake people make. They were truly religious and therefore truly secular. You see, this is the wonderful thing. They were very, the namam was sacrosanct, and there was some, they all had idiosyncrasies. Master, he was called. He was master because he was Ramnath Goenka's son, his master to him. So, but he was very good in English, and he was made the news editor in the Chennai Madras edition. Now, a more secular person, I do not know. He very religious and very secular, provided you did not touch him on two issues. MS is the greatest singer made by man, by God, and Raja Gopalachari is the greatest statesman man ever saw. So long as you didn't push him on these two, he was absolutely wonderful. So therefore, I had a very good time in the south. I began to see, you see, this Brahman, non-Brahman thing began to. I had no idea. I suddenly found that, example, Hegde, Ramakrishna Hegde is the chief minister. We have agreed in the conference that the story will go. Next morning I wake and the story has not gone. So मेरे समझ में नहीं आता था कि I didn't understand. Then I learned that out of the 13 reporters, 12 were Brahmins. And Hegde was a Brahmin. So you couldn't do a story against Hegde. You follow? No Gundu Rao for that matter in Karnataka. So these were the things I learned. And so they were very uncomfortable with me up to a point, but once I realized I had read in Lucknow, I understood how far I can push and how far I cannot push.